Hello student of class 9, let's continue our chapter natural resources, and today we are going to discuss a biochemical cycle, that is the water cycle. We have seen how the water evaporates from the water bodies and subsequent condensation of this water vapor leads to rain. But we don't see the seas and oceans drying up. So how is the water returning to these water bodies? The whole process in which water evaporates and falls on the land as rain and later flows back into the sea by a river is known as the water cycle. This cycle is not as straightforward and simple as this statement seems to imply. All of the water that falls on the land does not immediately flow back into the sea. Some of it seeps into the soil and becomes part of the underground reservoir of fresh water. Some of this underground water finds its way to the surface through springs, or we bring it to the surface for our use through wells or tubes. Water is also used by terrestrial animals and plants for various life processes. So student, water cycle means the water present on our earth, on sea, oceans, pond, river, everywhere this water evaporates due to the heat of the sun, and when this water evaporates, the above air of the over the surface of water also get heat, and as a result the hot air rises up. When hot air rises up, they carry the evaporates water vapor along with them, and they goes a certain height. After reaching a certain height, because of condensation process, the water vapor turn into water droplet, and same way water droplet gradually start size increasing and increasing, and this way the cloud form. And when the cloud become very heavy because of the gravity or for some other reason, this water falls on the surface of earth as rain, and this rainwater then again flows, and some of the water seeps into the soil and they become the underground water, and some of the water flow to the river also. Through river they goes into sea and ocean, and again they become the part of the surface of our earth, and again water will be evaporates and again will fall as rain. So this cycle will keep on. Another aspect of what happens to water during the water cycle, as we know, water is capable of dissolving a large number of substances. As water flows through or over rocks containing soluble minerals, some of them get dissolved in the water. Thus, rivers carry many nutrients from the land to the sea, and these are used by the marine organism. The organism survive under the sea water, or we can say aquatic organism. So this way marine organism get their nutrition.